Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a kind of, is it worth it kind of video. In today's video, I am testing the eye candy set by Kosas, which looks like this. I hauled this kit during my Sephora fall sales event, which I will link the video up above in case you would like to see what else I picked up during the sale. I also placed an additional order on the last day of the sale. So I'm actually running out of battery, so I'm going to try to film this as fast as I can. Before we begin with today's video, I'd love to welcome those of you who have recently subscribed to my channel. My name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, be sure to subscribe and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I make a brand new upload. So, one of the reasons why I picked up the kit was because I am kind of obsessed with this product. This is the Kosas Air Brow Clear and Clean Lifting Treatment Eyebrow Gel with Lamination Effect. This is the second step in my brow routine, if you will. And when the sale came up, I saw that I was almost out of it. And you can see just how gross and grimy this unit is and how I am literally almost out of it. It's grimy, it's gross, but I love it. This alone retails for $22. I love how this makes my brows just kind of stay in place throughout the day. They don't feel crunchy and this does not flake. At one point, I did use the ColourPop brow gel thing, and that was a hot mess express. That I felt like created faux hairs and it kind of made things cling on to my brows. So that was a no for me, but this is a total yes. So I definitely knew I needed a restock. This retails for $22. Then I saw that Kosas launched this limited edition kind of holiday kit, and it included the eyebrow gel with lamination effect, and it is the clear one. You should know that I also love the tinted one. It's what I used on my brows today as well. Obsessed with this. This is what really gives me that kind of definition that just makes my brows look so bushy and natural, and I love it. You know, we're at $22 here with our value. If you are looking for a clean brow gel that's clear, I would highly recommend this. And if you can get your hands on this kit, then, you know. Next up, I have the Kosas, the Big Clean Long Wear Volumizing and Lash Care Mascara. This retails for $26. So there alone, we are at $48 for our value. And this retails for $35. I did get this during the sale, so I paid even less money for this kit, which is amazing. I did do a review or kind of like a wear test of the Kosas, the Big Clean Mascara, where I compared it with an Ilia mascara. I'm not quite sure, but I will link that video up above. And I actually grew to love this mascara. I don't think I gave it a really positive review that day, but after using it over and over again, I really enjoyed it. If you can tell, the lashes hold a bit of a curl, and it really does kind of volumize the lash. It thickens it. And I have worn this to work despite me wearing a full-on mask and being in front of a steamer for the full day. Just wears really, really nicely. I think over time with use, however, the wand does get a little thick and kind of clumpy with product. Not a deal breaker. The formula is great. I really, really do enjoy it. And I have been enjoying the Jones Road Beauty Mascara a whole lot, and she is clean as well. And that one's probably ready for me to toss in the trash. So that is another reason why I picked this kit up as well. Love the formula. Now on to, what is this called? The new 10-second eye light in strobe. This is an iridescent sheen. This is a full size product, and I don't see this anywhere else on the Sephora website, so I can't really tell you how much this essentially retails for, but if we subtract, apparently this retails for $14. Now, I don't know if this shade is flattering on all skin tones. And the formula itself, I don't know if I just applied this wrong. I did just try to apply it with my fingers, but it just looks a little too concentrated in some areas. And yeah, I did just try to do a very neutral kind of look today. And I feel like it's just too cool for me personally. I wish this was more of like a neutral tone, but I can see this color, you know, being perfect for that kit as it's kind of icy. So it's perfect for this season. I will try to do an update video at the end, towards the end of the day, even though it's already like 4, almost 5 o'clock here, just to see how this kind of wears, because I did try it in another shade and I did not like the formula. They only have it in a couple of colors though. I tried the Copper Halo. So this apparently retails for $28, but it's different packaging. And the formula just feels different to me from the actual 10-second liquid eyeshadow that I bought a long time ago. But I do have a feeling that that 10-second liquid eyeshadow had something wrong with it because it did not wear or apply as beautifully as I would have liked. So yeah, I just don't know how I feel about the eyeshadow. I do, as you all know, already love the mascara and the eyebrow gel in a clear lamination effect. So I'm gonna give these 2 items obviously big, huge, massive thumbs up. This little guy is still TBD, but if I were to rate it now on a scale of 1 through 10, I would give it a 5. It's not my favorite, but it's not like, you know, it's definitely kind of easy to apply. I feel like I did something wrong again. Let me know if you will be adding this kit to cart, or let me know if you've tried any of these products. I know these 2 are definitely either going to be in my annual beauty favorites video. It's just this that I feel like it's the throwaway within the kit. But so far, these are home runs for me. And with that $35 that I paid, it definitely makes it worth it, seeing as the clear brow gel is $22 and the mascara is $26. So essentially, I got this for free, and it really wasn't what I was buying the kit for. It was these 2. So I did end up saving quite a bit of money and having a new item to sort of play with. Let me know if you will be adding this kit to cart. If you have added to cart and it is already presently in your collection, let me know how you feel about it in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for spending some time with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.